In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get certified in Ga4. If you've been meaning to make the switch to Google Analytics 4 or you want an official credential to showcase your skills, this walkthrough will guide you from your analytics dashboard to the certification without confusion. First, open your Google Analytics account. Make sure you're signed in with the Google account that has access to the property you use. If you have multiple accounts, double-check you're in the right one before moving on. Using a modern browser will also help everything load smoothly. Next, click Admin Settings. You'll find the Admin option as a gear icon near the lower left corner of the Analytics interface. If you don't see the Admin option, it may be a permissions issue. In that case, ensure your access level is sufficient to view settings and resources connected to your property. This page is also a good place to confirm you're working with Ga4, since layout and options differ from older versions. Now click Home to return to your main analytics dashboard. This brings you back to the central hub, where you'll often find helpful banners, tips, and links to official learning resources. Returning to Home ensures you can see the prompts designed to guide you toward the official course. On the home page, click Take the Course. Look for the prompt that references learning or training for Ga4. Selecting Take the Course directs you to Google's official training materials that prepare you for certification. This training is structured to build your understanding step by step, covering key concepts like data streams, event tracking, reporting, and measurement strategies in Ga4. Next, click the link provided. You'll be taken to the enrollment page. Simply follow the prompts on your screen. This typically includes confirming your account, accepting terms, and starting the course. Keep an eye out for progress indicators, required modules, and any assessments. If the platform asks for profile details, complete them accurately so your certificate is issued correctly. Consider setting aside dedicated study time and use the included practice activities or review questions to reinforce what you learn. To successfully complete your enrollment and, upon completion of the course, you will be certified. That means finishing all required lessons and passing the final assessment. When you're done, you'll receive confirmation of your certification. You can usually download a certificate or a badge to share on your resume and professional profiles. If your certification has an expiration date, make a note to revisit the training before it lapses so you stay current with Ga4 updates. And that's it, simple, clear, and official.